Lord of Jesus. What is going on here? What is going on here? It's not even an empty this one. Just wait right there. Put it there. Sweetie pie, put it there. How did you get it?
Bro, I woke up one day in front of my house.
You woke up? I need to start waking up to something like this. Hold on a second. Let us say, my brother. Let us say. Whoa! Did you like what you hear? Sorry about that. Hello. Oh no. Before the people start getting jealous, put it there.
Love my
Come on. Now get out. Sweetie pie. Get out of here. My brother, I'm good, man. I'm good. Come on, brother. Love. Let me tell you something. If you want to drive something like that, you better start waking up and saying something like that. Love, my bro. But what do I know? I'm just an African man. Get out.